That is what I am trying to say, Your Honors, respectfully. I just wanted to explain that as part of the Legal Affairs Division of the office,
I think, Mr. Chairman, with this kind of explanation that being manifested by Attorney Tolentino, as much as we accept that premise of her, but somehow we are all guided with moral decency.
Before talking, you should take your oath because that is on record. Not speak unless you take your oath, or else I will move to excuse you in this room.
Gusto ko nga, panoorin natin yung kaganapan dito sa House of Representative mga doon sa pagpapatuloy nung hearing dito sa OBP, yung kaya Office of the President, Office of the Vice President mga doon, yung kaganapang hearing diyan. So dumalo yung iba niyang mga tauhan, yung mga staff, din yung ibang attorney mga idol. So ito mga panoorin natin kung ano yung kaganapan dito.
if I may, respectfully,
Please administer the oath first.
Please raise your right hand.
Oath taking.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry, Your Honor? I do. The oath has been administered for the resource persons, Ms. Rabago, Mr. Tenido, Attorney Sanchez, and Ms. Villa del Rey. However, Attorney Emily Torrentira refuses to take her oath, Your Honors.
May isang mga idol, may isang sa OBP, sa Office of the Vice President na hindi nag-taking ng oath mga idol. Hindi nag-taking. So yun, rin na. Si Attorney Tolentino ba yun? Hindi ko na rin yung pangalan na siya.
Mr. Chairman, I'm just wondering why attorney, what's the name of that that person?
Ayan na mga idol, bumanat na si bumanat na si Congressman Dan Fernandez mga idol. Kung bakit daw hindi nag-oath taking to si si attorney, Mga idol, attorney yan
Attorney Emily
Emily Torrentira, Your
refused to
Honor.
raise her hand.
Okay, attorney Emily Torrentira. So yun, narinig na natin
For the oath taking. Can we ask her why she refuses to take her oath?
may I, Mr. Chair?
You can all sit down, ma'am. Upo na po.
Thank you.
Bakit
Your
daw po
Honor.
ayaw ninyo mag-take ng oath?
No, Your Honor, I am not refusing to take the oath. Prior to being asked to take the oath, I was trying to explain, Your Honor, that I am not an invited resource person. Second, that
Yun pala mga idol, hindi pala siya invited as a resource person. So kaya siya hindi nag-take ng oath. Mga idol, take note mga idol, abogado yan. Alam niya ng batas. Di ba? Nasa kwadro mga idol. Hindi naman mga abogado yun. Di ba?
I've only been asked now to explain why there was no receipt for subpoena for the persons who are not present here. That is what I'm trying to say, Your Honors, respectfully. I just wanted to explain that as part of the Legal Affairs Division of the office, I wanted to explain why we did not receive. In accordance with the rules governing inquiries in aid of legislation, wherein the rules of court suppletorily applies, Rule 14 in relation to Rule 21.
Ayan na mga idol, binasahan na sila nung rules mga idol, binasahan na sila. Tignan natin mga idol.
Of the rules of court, Your Honors, personal service must be made to resource persons who are being issued subpoena. With that, Your Honor, they being not present in the office at that time, no person can receive on their behalf, and hence there will be no proper service. Respectfully, Your Honors.
So yun nga mga idol, nga siya, representative lang siya ni OBP, sa Office of the Vice President mga idol. So hindi siya invited. Kaya siya hindi nag-take ng oath mga idol. Di ba? Yun yung explanation niya.
Well, we accept that guidelines, that you mentioned a while ago. But you all know that this is an aid in aid of legislation, and the reason why we are trying to course this invitation to the office of the president, we discussed this lengthily already. And the testimony of Attorney Lopez is so important to us. And also si Pajarda. And I think, Mr. Chairman, with this kind of explanation that being manifested by Attorney Tolentino, as much as we accept that premise of her, but somehow we are all guided with moral decency, no? That somehow, sana naman.
Mga idol, pinaliwanag na nga ng abogado, diba? Binasahan na nga siya kung bakit hindi siya take ng oath. So ito na naman mga idol, si Congressman Fernandez, mga idol, bida-bida na naman yan.
Chairman,
Umattend naman po sila dito kahit na sabihin po natin that yun nga po ito po yung sinasabi nung inyong minention a while ago, but I think somehow sa akin personally that is not accepted. And isang tanong lang, attorney, have somebody told you not to accept all those invitations?
No, Your Honor. It was a...
So it
is in accordance with the rules, Your
So it's your
Honor.
own
Attorney,
volition.
we will recognize you later because hindi po kayo nag-take ng oath. Okay na po.
Chairman,
You've already said your piece.
Thank
Mr.
you, Your
Chairman.
Honor.
Congressman
may I
Paduano,
ask
you're
the
recognized.
good attorney, what is your role in this?
Ngayon na mga idol, ngayon na. Nagsimula na si Simula na si Congressman Paduano, mga idol.
You are not invited, but you are present in today's hearing, and you never take your oath. Why?
Council.
What is your presence?
Nagtutulungan na mga idol yung attorney ni OBP, no? Nagtutulungan na.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I am the Chief of Legal Affairs of the Office of the Vice President.
So,
I am here
So, kita mo mga idol, Chief of Legal Affairs ng OBP, mga idol, di ba? Hindi yung kalupit yan. Attorney yan, mga idol. Yung kausap niya, hindi yung mga attorney yan. Nag-a-attorneyan lang mga yan dyan.
here to represent the institution, Your Honor.
so you are here to represent the institution. You should, before talking, you should take your oath. Because that is on record.
Yan mga idol, naninigaw na naman si Tanda, no? Tinatakot na naman mga idol, tinatakot. Hindi ka kasali yan dyan. Hindi ka kasali.
You're a lawyer. You know that. You cannot speak unless until you take your oath. That's the rule, internal rules of this house and this committee.
Hindi ko mag-gets mga idol. Kasi nga, di ba, representative lang naman siya. So, uupo lang siya dyan. Di ba, makikinig lang. Eh di kung ayaw niya, huwag niyong tanongin. Di ba, hindi naman siya resource person eh. Huwag niyong tanongin, di ba? Hindi ko mag-gets. Tatakot sila mga idol, natatakot sila sa attorney na to, sigurado.
You cannot speak unless you take your oath. Or else, I will move to excuse you in this room.
Your Honor, if I may,
Um,
Mr. Chair.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. Mr.
What is,
Chair,
what is your point of order?
yeah, I take the position of Congressman Paduano. I really don't know why she's here. Has she forwarded any explanation written
Tutulungan,
as
di ba?
to her attendance?
Ganun ka sa quad ko
Hindi,
mga
Mr.
idol.
Chairman,
No,
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, a while ago, she was trying to tell us that she is the representative of the Office of the Vice President. And if you are the representative of the Vice President, you have this reason to take your oath as well.
Yeah, but other than that, Mr. Chair, before we can even proceed,
Pinaliwanag na nga kanina kaya hindi nag-take ng oath, di ba? Kasi nga, hindi nga siya invited, no? Representative lang siya dyan. So, mag-siya, wala, hindi ka yung ibig na yan. Yung parang yung sa mga, di ba? Yun lang, hindi ko lang pinag-iinitan nila lahat. Yan na, kaya nagsisimula na naman sila. Tulong-tulong na yan.
to asking her to take her oath, has she communicated officially to the committee that she is indeed representing the office of the Vice President? Is there any letter that whereby Attorney Tolentino is given authority to represent the Office of the Vice President, COMSEC?
None, Your Honor.
Did you submit your authority?
If I may, Your Honor, respectfully,
Yes, please.
Mr. Chair, can we just call for a 5-minute suspension? Kausapin muna natin kung ano ba talaga kasi
5-minute suspension is declared by the chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Yun na, mga idol, yun na. Ganun na sila, suspension na ng 5 minutes. Yan na, mga idol, kitang-kita niya yan. Oh, tipong nagpupulong na sila, mga idol. Diba? Representative lang naman yan dyan eh. Hindi ba? Dyan nakaupo ka sa gilid, no? Siyempre, kasamaan niya yung mga nandyan, yung mga resource person, no? Di ba? So, nandyan lang siya bilang attorney, no? So, parang ganun yan dapat. Kaya ang problema, hindi ko maintindihan, ba't paalisin, no? Pupuin nyo lang yan dyan, oh. Ano eh, problema? Baka merong problema, so hindi natin alam, no? Problema, kumupulang siya dyan, makikinig. Tulungin. Di ba tanongin nyo yung mga kasama na resource person, yung mga invited. Eh, hindi nga siya invited, di ba? Yun lang, ano, no? Siguro mga idol natatakot sila kasi nga siyempre, baka matinding attorney to, mga idol, baka matinding abogado to. Kasi siyempre galing sa OBP, di ba? So baka ayaw nila, no? Ayaw nilang makorner. So mga idol, tignan natin mga idol kung ano mangyayari sa decision nila, ano yan, no? Nagpupulong-pulong sila, nag-usap-usap sila. Kung ano, saan, no? Kung ano yung magiging decision, no, sa kay attorney, no? Attorney, hindi mo rin member yung apelido niya. O rin. Kasi parang katulad na Tolentino. Ayan, man, no? Kasi ano, tulong-tulong na lang. Oh.
This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy.
Diba?
I need
Tulong-tulong na lang doon.
that you don't speak quietly.
Nag-uusapan nila ngayon kung ano magiging decision, kung ano magiging happen kay attorney. Kaya attorney tayo natutunan.
All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man.
Kung yung attorney yan, dumunod sa legal proseso yan. Diba? Kaya kanina, binasahan nila. Yung mga nag-take ng oath lang daw, yung mga invited. Diba? Eh, hindi nga siya invited, kaya siya hindi nag-take ng oath. So, parang gano'n yung explanation niya, no? Kaya ang kaso, ayaw kumain yung mga, alam naman yung mga yan, mga idol. Talaga magtutulong-tulong yan dyan. Kaya kasi Pangulong Duterte hindi dumalo dyan eh. Diba? Yun nga kasi yung reason mga idol.
Committee hearing resumes.
Ayun, bumalik na mga idol, bumalik na sila.
Congressman Paduano.
thank you, Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, first and foremost, since the good lawyer has no written authority coming from the Vice President, second is that she never take her oath. So, Mr. Chairman, first, I move that we strike out all, on record, all the statements being made by the good attorney.
Seconded.
There's a motion raised by Congressman Paduano, duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none.
Grabe talaga si Congressman Paduano na pinalayas.
The motion is carried.
And second, Mr. Chairman, I move that we excuse the good lady attorney in this room and to request the SAA to escort the good attorney outside of this room. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Seconded.
There's a motion to excuse the good attorney from this room, which is duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chair, if I may respectfully request...
You're not, you're out of order. You're not
Diba? Kita mo, hindi pinag-explain mga idol. You're out of order, no? So, hindi pinag-explain, no? Wala, ganun talaga siya dyan sa quad ko mga idol. Kaya napakahirap dyan. Kaya si Pangulong Duterte hindi umaten, no? Kasi nga,
Suspend ko na lang.
wala siya ano din eh.
1 minute suspension.
Suspend ulit. Lalo natin yung mga idol.
Paki-excuse na lang po yung paki-excuse na lang po muna yung ating abogado.
Lalabasin. Ganun talaga mga idol. Pinalabas na abogado.
it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please.
Yan, pinalabas na nga. Yan. Diba? O, yan. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo, no? Tsaka na lang tayo pagpatuloy yung kaganapan dyan sa Senate hearing, no? So, yun, mga lang naman sasabi nyo. Sa ganitong ginawa ng Quadcom, no? Dito sa approve ni Vice Presidente, no? Ni Vice President Sara Duterte, mga idol. Diba? So, comment down below, mga idol, kung ano yung tingin yung kung tama ba yung ginawa nila dito sa kay attorney, no? Diba? So yun, mga idol. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe. And dahil lumalaki ng channel natin, mga idol, sobrang maraming salamat. Hanggang sa susunod. Ciao!